Are you a student? Either senior secondary school student or post-secondary school student, and you are aiming to prepare for an examination, either neco GCE, waec GCE, or utme and post-utme, and you are confused, you don't know which way to go. I present an online learning platform to you. Visit abp.com.ng, which is an online tutorial center. In ABP, we started with 5 subjects, which are biology, chemistry, English language, mathematics, and physics. So in ABP, what are we doing? We teach basic principles that will enable you to think like problem solver, and you will be able to solve any problem written on a computing basis. So what are you waiting for? Register now at abp.com.ng. You will be glad you did.